Hello students, Miss Young here. Welcome to Chapter 2. If you're here, you're probably floating around here somewhere. The date would be the 27th. Yep, about the 27th. We finished our tests on the 26th. And we're starting Chapter 2, which simply put is a very introductory chapter to two items. Economics and democracy. We're skipping lesson 1 from the book, going right to lesson 2 and lesson 3. Lesson 2 is all about economics, and there's a lot of content in there. And then lesson 3 is like a sort of a democracy 101. So we basically, this whole chapter is just 2 lessons, but packed with information. We've got Economics 101 and Democracy 101. Particularly the economics lesson is going to be very pertinent to the rest of the school year. And because we look at the economics, that's part of the culture of all the many civilizations we're going to study. How did their economy work? And democracy will become more important as we move later in the year and democracies become a thing. We look more into the sort of tyrannical power of kings and tyrants. So that's where we're going with this intro day today with this video and a vocab quiz. And we'll bump on to lessons 2 and lesson 3. And then, because it's such a short chapter, we'll be doing some kind of wrap-up assignment as opposed to a test. I'm not going to give you a test on a two lesson subject. It'll be a hard test because economics and government, we're going into a lot of detail. So some kind of wrap-up assignment, typically dealing with sort of a news article or current event that relates directly to what we just talked about in the chapter. So that's what this chapter will be looking like. It'll be a short one. So there we are. Go ahead and move on to the next page. There'll be a video of me going over the vocab and followed by the vocab quiz. Then you're done for the day. See you on the next page.